Dr. Bisanga. I'm the head of hair transplant department at ACAMS. We'll be organizing a live surgery workshop on cadaver in Cremona, Italy. The purpose of this workshop is to teach you how to design a proper hairline based on face shape and ethnicity, how to harvest intact follicles so you do not have any problem in terms of growth, and basically to explain all the technique, the finest of hair transplant. So please join us in Cremona, and you will not regret this experience. And afterward, after the live workshop on cadaver, we will have a live workshop here in my office in Brussels, where we'll have live patients to explain everything. So please join us in Cremona. Do not miss this opportunity. Thank you.